What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Famous Zion back with another video. Before I start this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because this video is not gonna be a banger, but it's gonna be a great video. Nah, for real though, we doing shit for my car today. What you need, babe? Where is it? Turn the music off. I'm recording. Turn the music off. I'm recording. What do you mean you don't know your wallet at?
Okay, it's upstairs.
Well, you want to go all the way back upstairs and get your wallet?
Yep.
Well, I think we're gonna go to the gym.
Well, we gotta go to O'Reilly's first. So
Yeah.
we gotta be back at 12.
You don't need your wallet for anything. I'm gonna take my battery out today and come recharge the bitch, cause bitch ain't working. I gotta fix all these bolts. The pack don't look, that shit look tore up, but now I got me a set. I'm finna fucking work on, hey, if you need me to work on your car, let me know. I do oil changes. I did my girlfriend oil change, her car started fucking up. Don't trust me. Nah, I'm just playing. I do really good oil changes, isn't that right? Yeah, so I think I'm gonna open it right now, cause we're finna hit the gym. I might take this chain off before I get in there. I don't want to look all fancy and shit. But this shit green it for a. Wish I had like someone to prop the camera up. That's good.
We don't need to be at the gym for that long.
They said you need to be in the gym for at least an hour.
No, 30 minutes is good.
No, it's not. You ain't getting done in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Unless you're doing the exact same.
Yeah, I do.
No, I'm saying unless you're doing like everything that you always like. If you go in there and do leg things for 30 minutes. Yeah, one leg thing, not 3 different exercises. That's not gonna get you nowhere. You gotta do, like if you do that little squat.
Much later.
Not even 45 minutes. That's why I don't go with you and your sister. Y'all go like y'all got somewhere to be.
Oh, I do.
You don't got nowhere to be but work. At Planet Fitness, where people come to grow their hands. Look what I got on though. This ain't no damn gym fit either. Some folks in here to record. My girlfriend already in here, y'all. Hold on. Y'all, we at the gym right now. Me and my girlfriend, I don't know what the fuck we're doing. But basically here at the gym, getting our gains in full on y'all. Like, if y'all not getting gains in, y'all not doing it right. Honestly, if I could sit around and be fat, I would. But like, when you are unhappy. So like, if anybody out there that's struggling, give you some motivation, go to the gym. Listen to me. Go to the gym. It'll make you feel better. Like one workout in the morning. Start off slow. Start walking maybe. After you walk, don't hit the weights until you're ready to hit the weights. But mainly, just walk. Just breathe and walk. So, all right, YouTube. We honestly just left the gym, and I tell you, we tired. Well, I don't know if she tired. But we
Hell yeah, I'm tired.
Got him! But we tired, and we finna go ahead to my mom's house because we gotta take. Bitch.
What?
No, it was a fly. We finna go to my mom's house because we gotta go get a cake for my sister's birthday. And y'all know about sisters, they always want stuff done when they want it done. They want to be bougie. My sister is bougie, but I love her to death because, you know, she's my sister, so. Oh, fuck, I had a brain fart. I was about to say some bullshit and then excuse my language, I was about to say something and I forgot all about what I was going to say. I know y'all be having that problem too because that problem is like real serious with black people. I don't know why, but we forget stuff for no reason. I had to talk regular. This is my regular voice, y'all. Ain't it right, babe? My regular voice. Yeah. But I'm gonna catch y'all on flip side when I get to my house, so I can show y'all my mother. And I will be putting all this shit in. It's hard to do while the car's moving, and I wanted to record, so I was gonna do it like, I guess when I got to my house. I don't know. I'll probably do this shit now. I'm gonna figure out something while I'm driving, y'all. Let me put my seatbelt on before I die. See y'all later. I feel so accomplished with life. Look at this shit. This shit took me about 30 minutes, but still, I got tools now. Oh, that mean I'm finna fix it. All right, I'm gonna fix up that broke ass car right here. That one's broke. I'm gonna fix that bitch up. I'm finna fix up my girlfriend's broke ass car. My broke ass car. God damn. Well, we at my house now. We finna watch this. I'm gonna do something with my mom. So funny. Oh shit. The fucking wasp. You ready? We're going to Food Lion. Did you forget?
You can go get the cake. I ain't gonna get no work over here so they come and find me.
Well, I ain't gonna have no car later on. I ain't gonna have no car later on. You gotta take us off. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Who looking for keys?
Some money.
I ain't got a key.
I know. Shit, you gotta be extra. I just came from physical therapy.
So you don't want to go to so we came out here for nothing.
You can take dog out.
You can take dog out too.
I know, but I'm hurting. I just talked to it. They said they're gonna have to give me another card.
My mom done got surgery. They don't give all these pills. She fucking drug addict now.
You're fucking lying. Let me see.
You a drug addict?
Who's a drug addict?
You. I told them you be popping pills and you a drug addict now. That make no sense.
I'm legally.
She ain't legal. She a drug addict. We gotta walk with the dog and then we can go. Where? I'm walking my dog. I keep filling y'all in on shit y'all don't want to know about, but it's a vlog. Like, I will keep the camera rolling at all times, but I don't like to edit. So what I do is I cut what I think I'm gonna be doing something else, and then I resume. Like right now, I resume for y'all, let y'all know what I'm doing and fill y'all in what I'm gonna do. We finna head to the store. Right now I'm walking my dog. She's taking the shit, I think. She's taking the shit. She taking the shit. Harley. 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 She don't want to be, she don't want me to look at her. She don't want to look at me when she's shitting. So, like, I'm hot as hell. Like, the world need to slow down. It's going fast. It's hot. Climate, global, whatever the fuck. Just, she not even looking at me. Harley. She like, no, bitch, do not look at me. What I really gotta learn how to do is take the fucking take the camera out and record. We just had a whole funny ass conversation in Food Lion and I didn't record it. It wasn't that funny, but it was hilarious to me and her because it's inside joke. She said all she wanna do is, I can't tell y'all. Y'all don't even know. Anyways, we got the birthday cake. It's the white vanilla one with strawberries on top. I got me a fucking muffin to eat for lunch.
I seen a sugar daddy in there. He looked very familiar.
Shut your fat ass up. You lying like here.
How's that fat ass? Like, what?
You're fat. Anyways, some sugar daddy. She don't got no damn sugar daddy. She did have a sugar daddy. We would be rich as hell. I have some money too.
We? It's me. I'm rich.
We. That's my sugar daddy too. No homo.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
No homo. No homo.
You know sugar daddies, if you do have sugar daddy and you're a boy, they like to do butts.
Can you please be quiet? I'm not doing, but be quiet, man. Anyways, y'all, we finna head back to the house, drop off the cake. I'm gonna make a big ass bowl of cereal because I ain't eat shit in like 2 days. And then I'm trying to save this damn muffin for dinner. I mean for lunch, sorry. Because 400 calories. That's a lot. God damn. How many carbs? 58 grams of carbs. God. 28 grams of sugar. Oh my God. Yep, that's my dinner right there. That damn muffin. Trying to lose weight. You see it's working a little bit, but it's not working because I'm always eating bread. Like, I stay eating bread. So I didn't cut the bread. But when I cut the bread, I feel so like tired. I did it for like 3 days, for a week that one time, 3 days. I did it for like 1 week. I ate nothing but meat. I ate meat and some rice, but not a lot of rice. But I ate strictly meat. You know how tired I was? I couldn't get up. I didn't want to do nothing. I didn't want to go to the gym. I didn't want to do none of that. So if you're on a strictly meat diet, I don't know if none of y'all are, because probably none of y'all go to the gym or nothing like that. I can't do it. Motherfuckers, you gonna be hurting. All right, y'all. What I tell y'all? Come on. I told y'all I was gonna fix my car. And honestly, I think something wrong with it because this shit broke as fuck. You can see me good?
Yeah, I mean, I can't see it myself.
Okay, but you can see this, right? Right.
Yeah.
I gotta take out my battery. I have a lot of shit wrong with it. Oh my god. For people that don't know how to take out a battery, you basically take off the negative first, and then you take off positive. You can't see down there? Make sure you don't get shocked. This shit will shock you.
Oh, what?
Not you, it's like people who taking out their battery.
Oh.
Yeah, it hurts. It really hurts. Oh, put the camera real quick. I'm gonna cut right here, and then I'm gonna catch y'all back when I take out the battery, cause this shit it's too hot for this. You can pause. You can turn it off. I wanna cry. Nah. Oh, okay, y'all. So basically, I'm still in here fucking struggling to death because I can't seem to get the damn thing out. That shit's stuck. Like stuck like fuck. BMWs, they always so fucking special because why the fuck, like who the fuck told y'all to put all this shit in the car? Taking me a cold ass shower when I get home. I just want to update y'all, like show y'all what's happening. I got the negative off, got it covered up. Now doing the positive, but the positive takes a long ass time. Cause it's not coming up. So let me try this again. Look, Papa, we did this shit. I'm officially a mechanic. Sweat like a bitch though. Okay, I'm gonna get this shit recharged. Put this on the ground. My fault, y'all. Put all the other stuff in the trunk. Make sure I got my keys, cause I'm gonna leave all this shit. Then I'm gonna come back to it when I'm done. Whew. Try not to close your trunk when your battery's disconnected, unless you got a keyhole, because that shit will, how you say, it will lock and you won't have a way to get into it. So I'm taking the battery real quick so I can sit it on the couch. I'm gonna get that shit recharged. Woo! Since I'm done now, I'm taking my black musty ass to the fucking O'Reilly's up the street. I'm finna get a battery recharge. Hopefully that'll work with the problem, help my gears move. Cause when I looked it up, told y'all the gears won't move unless you got enough battery power, apparently. I don't know what the fuck. It's a safe mode for BMWs. They ain't doing too much. That shit heavy too. That shit like 60 pounds one hand. And till this day, it's my first day I done noticed that battery's supposed to have liquid in them. Ain't you supposed to top them off?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I'm finna go on this though. I almost hit this lady. Oh my god, because I was not paying attention. I'm finna go on this stove. They're gonna look at me like, what the fuck is wrong with him? Why is he so sweaty? Why am I so sweaty? Ask my subscribers. I'm doing this shit for y'all. I became a mechanic for y'all. How do you fucking turn this off? Fuck, I'm hot. Probably just let them recharge it, y'all. When I get back to the house and put the battery in, that's what I'm gonna show y'all, because it's too hot for that.
Huh, I almost forgot.
Literally, this whole time, I'm meant to tell y'all when I was in the car and I was at fucking wherever I was at. Bro, y'all know my memory bad. This whole video had memory problems. This whole time, I meant to tell y'all, did you know that it takes an hour for a battery to get recharged? I'm taking me a mean ass nap. Matter of fact, I ain't even taking a nap. I'm gonna edit my videos for y'all. I got edit 2 videos, so. All right, peoples, boys and girls, and etc. I do have the battery. I'm gonna go hook this bitch back up. I had to park in the handicap spot. Hopefully they don't get her tagged. If she get in trouble, turn that air on. What? Shit on 7. Woo. Sorry for the air if it's like too loud, but I'm gonna go hook this bitch back up. I'm not gonna show y'all how I hook it back up because honestly I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna hook it back up. I'm gonna just look at YouTube. But if anybody like need help with their car, please please, especially if it's a Mustang, let me know for the love of Christ. Because I want to start working on Mustangs. I'm working on more cars, you know, get in the feel of it. Because once I start working on more cars, just wait till I get my house. Y'all doubting me now. Ain't a lot of y'all vlog. This vlog 8. So, I mean 9. Shit, I don't know. That is vlog 8. But yeah, be ready. Alright, y'all. Finally finished with this battery here. I put it back already because I'm tired. Huh? That's one? Alright. This shit was hard work right there. If I had a cameraman or a woman to help me record, hell yeah. This will conclude the end of the video. Hell yeah, I'm tired.